Welcome to my YouTube channel All Technofin. In this video we will see all about Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western peninsular region of India, occupying a substantial portion of the Deccan Plateau. It is the second most populous state and third largest state by area. Spread over 307,713 square kilometers, it is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, the Indian states of Karnataka and Goa to the south, Telangana to the southeast and Chhattisgarh to the east, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh to the north, and the Indian Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the northwest. Maharashtra was formed on the 1st of May 1960, by splitting the bilingual Bombay state, which had existed since 1956 into majority Marathi-speaking Maharashtra, and Gujarati-speaking Gujarat respectively. Maharashtra consists of 6 administrative divisions: Amravati, Aurangabad, Konkan, Nagpur, Nashik, and Pune. The state's 6 divisions are further divided into 36 districts, 109 subdivisions and 357 talukas. Uddhav Bal Thackeray is serving as the 19th and current Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He is also the President of Shiv Sena. The economy of Maharashtra is the largest in India. Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state of India. It is also the world's second most populous subnational entity. Maharashtra has the largest proportion of taxpayers in India, and its share markets transact almost 70% of the country's stocks. India's largest stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, is the oldest in Asia. The state has a large multimodal transportation system with the largest road network in India. The first passenger train in India ran from Mumbai to Thane on the 16th of April 1853. The official language of Maharashtra is Marathi, although different regions have their own dialects. Over 83.1 million people speak Marathi, making it the third most spoken language in India, and 10th most spoken native language in the world. Let's check out some official symbol of Maharashtra. Let's now see some famous dams of Maharashtra. This is Koyna Dam. Koyna Dam is the biggest dam of Maharashtra by height, 103.2 meters, across Koyna River in Satara district. This dam also houses largest hydroelectric power plant in India, and a popular tourist attraction with nearby Koyna Wildlife Sanctuary. This is Ujjani Dam. Ujjani Dam is the largest dam in Maharashtra in terms of total storage capacity. The Ujjani Dam on Bhima River, also known as Bhima Dam, is an earthfill-cum-masonry gravity dam, located in Solapur district. There are various other dams such as Jayakwadi Dam, Isapur Dam, Totlado Dam, Bhitsa Dam, and many more. Let's now see some GI tags registered for Maharashtra. Now let's know about some famous cities of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the most industrialized state in India, while state capital Mumbai is India's financial and commercial capital. Mumbai is the largest city of India. The city is also famous as the heart of the Bollywood film industry. Mumbai has a population around 18.4 million, making it the most populous urban area in India. Pune is known as Oxford of the East due to the presence of several well-known educational institutions. The city is considered to be the IT capital of India. Nagpur is the third largest city and the winter capital of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is famous for Nagpur oranges and is sometimes known as the Orange City. Nagpur is the seat of the annual winter session of the Maharashtra State Assembly. Nashik is known as wine capital of India, as it has the largest number of wineries and vineyards in the country. Nasik is well known for being one of the Hindu pilgrimage sites, that of Kumbh Mela, which is held every 12 years. The river Godavari originates from the Brahmagiri mountain in Trimbakeshwar, which is in Nashik district. Now let's know about UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Maharashtra. The Ajanta caves are Buddhist caves built in two phases. The first was from the reign of Emperor Ashoka. The second, further additions were made during the 5th and 6th centuries AD of the Gupta period. The caves depict richly decorated fresco paintings. There are 31 rock-cut cave monuments which are unique representations of the religious art of Buddhism. The Ellora Caves, also known as the Ellora Complex, are a cultural mix of religious arts of Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. 34 monasteries and temples, sculpted contiguously into rock walls of a high basalt cliff, are seen along a length of 2 kilometers. The Elephanta Caves are a network of sculpted caves located on Elephanta Island, or Gharapuri in Mumbai harbour. The island, located on an arm of the Arabian Sea, consists of two groups of caves. The first is a large group of 5 Hindu caves, the second, a smaller group of 2 Buddhist caves. Renovated in the 1970s, the caves were designated a World Heritage Site in 1987 to preserve the artwork. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is a historic railway station in Mumbai, which serves as the headquarters of the Central Railways. Earlier it was named Victoria Terminus, but after, in response to demands by the Shiv Sena, and in keeping with the policy of renaming locations with Indian names, the station was renamed by the state government after King Chhatrapati Shivaji. This is a collection of the Victorian Gothic buildings and Art Deco buildings. They are the Bombay High Court, Rajabai Clock Tower, Eros Cinema and the University of Mumbai. Now let's see some historic and tourism attractions in Maharashtra. Now let's move to the culture and tradition of the state. Now we will see about some famous historic warriors of Maratha. Shivaji Bhosle 1. Sambhaji Bhosle. Baji Rao 1. Rani Lakshmibai. If you like this informative video, then do like and share for more such videos.